Hi darlings, how's your day? This is Emma and you are on my YouTube channel. I can guarantee that after watching this video, your day will only get better. And so I'm really happy that you're here and I'm really excited about today's trading session on pocket options. So let's get rolling because I cannot wait to see what the future has in store for us. Okay, let's jump right into the game and make some smart, informed decisions. Candles and one for the time frame. And now I'm gonna pick my superheroes of the day, Bollinger Bands and RSI. Yes, just two. I'm keeping it to the minimum. All right, let's take a look at what's been happening on the market. And I'm going to place $100. Yes, very classic amount and a great head start. All right, so right now I see a strong signal for growth. You see the price is holding above the middle line of the channel and it's not breaking below. It's just moving higher. And the candles showing us a long lower shadow, which indicates a strong buying pressure, and RSI still has room to move up. So we are going all the way up. It's a call option right away. Let's do it, darlings. And if you are eager to learn profitable strategies and build consistent profits, one thing you gotta do is join my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and honestly, I promise you, everything you need to know about the fascinating world of trading is right there. And that's what I use every time I trade. $192. First profit secured, and that just feels amazing. All right. So my plan is to get my second bid, but first let's pick a good asset pair. That looks pretty decent. $190 is my next bid. And take a look at that. Guys, after a long trend, I see a pause, but no pullback. And you see the price is holding near the highs, right there. And the oscillator still has some upside room. So I am entering for another move up, and that is a call option. Let's get it. $364.80. The profits are something I would never be allergic to. That just feels amazing. That looks great. So I'm going to place $350 for this one. And I see that the price consolidates above the middle line of the channel after a bullish candle, and RSI also shows plenty of room for the upward movement. So there is the only option here, darlings. Can you guess it? Yes, you've been watching my videos for some time, so I know you know. Call option. Let's go for it. Ooh, $672. Voila! Amazing result. It is just terrific. Okay. Well, playing big today, $700 for the next bid. And I can see the bounce from the support zone upward. And the downtrend, my darlings, is breaking. And the price is moving higher. You see the RSI still has significant room for growth, and we definitely should go for a long here. Time to buy. It's time to buy, and it's time to go all the way up. Let's do it. $1,344. Mwah! Chef's kiss. Makes me the happiest. Okay, now let's get the other pair. And I'm actually going to place 1,100. It's a bit of a flat. I'm talking about the sideways range right now, so we're just gonna wait and see. That actually got a great potential. Guys, right away, signal for a sell. You see a strong bearish candle near the mid zone? Yeah, right there. And I'm expecting a further break lower. The RSI still has a lot of room to fall coming from the overbought territory. So we are going down and we are waiting for that drop to happen. Let's get it. My dear friends, if you want to understand how trading really works, and if you want to build your trading account consistently and confidently, I've got just the solution for you. Below this video, you'll find a link, and that link is to my very special Telegram channel where I teach you everything I know and learn about trading, because I still do. So please join, and the profit is here, $2,112. Oh my God, over $2,000. Okay, let's do another one. I really want to do another one. All right. What choices do we have here? I think this pair might be a great choice. And I'm gonna place $1,500. That's right. I'm pretty serious and I'm playing big. Guys, take a look. There is a strong resistance zone and the buyers attempted to break through. You can see these long upper shadows on the candles, but the price turned downward. And the oscillator also signals a sell. So what are we gonna do? We are going to sell. Put option, going for a short, and let's secure that profit. Drop even more. And $2,880, guys. This is crazy. I mean, I had $120 in my account when I started this session, and it was so short and sweet and to the point that I ended up with $3,744. 80 cents, if that matters. Well, I'm just beyond thrilled and excited and happy to be so free and informed and just like be able to do what I love most and share it with you and have the money. The best feeling ever. Darlings, if you love the educational approach to strategy and you want to learn new profitable strategies, I will share it all with you in my fabulous Telegram channel. Check the link below this video and you will never ever regret that decision. I can promise you that. Thank you so much for watching. You are wonderful. I'm gonna go enjoy my life and think, how am I gonna spend this wonderful, wonderful profit? Thank you. I love you very much, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.